The pen that I do want to go ahead and swatch is my Esterbrook, which I had Matthew Chen do a specific grind on it. I purchased it with a medium nib, and then the Tosh ink that I'm not going to butcher. It has no shimmer, you know me. Unless I have to, I don't get a shimmer. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now you're going to understand why I went with this color. So let's get the body off and get to that converter. Now this is going to draw quickly because I actually have used the Coffee Monster as a medium to see if I really did want to have a grind put on this. And after using it, yes, I wanted a grind. I knew I was not going to be able to handle having that medium. And actually, I'm going to leave this, uncap that again. There we go. I know I got it on me. I am going to go ahead and swatch this so that you guys can see the beauty of this ink. This one I'm going to put out here because I really want you to see this. Now you can see why I chose this ink. Isn't that gorgeous? And yes, the paper is just soaking it up. I'm going to put the blotting board behind it because, wow, I do not need it imprinting the paper below. I have my glass nib. Let's get you guys in range here, in view. And this is just a gorgeous write. I love how stormy blue-gray this is. So happy on that one. Amazing. It is so smooth. This, I have a feeling, may wind up being part of my Desert Island inks. I don't know. It's gorgeous. All right, so let me go ahead and write in all of the information because I'm going to have to copy it off the box. You know that. It writes so beautifully, and I'm loving the nib. I will make sure that it's on the screen, the name of this grind. I'm not going to try and, yeah, no, not going to happen. Now, I do know that I can lay it down and it will write with a thicker line. And if I go straight up and down, which is how I normally write, what I want to do over here is I do want to do the line variation with my Kakamori nib so that you can see the shadowing. Amazing ink, great purchase Love this ink. I may have to go back and get more of her ink because it is gorgeous.